Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to add widgets to lock screen on any iPhone. Now, if you want to add widgets to the lock screen of your iPhone, first of all, just go to the lock screen, then tap and hold on the lock screen. Then enter your lock screen pin and tap on Customize. And from here, you will find the option of Add Widgets. Just tap on it, and from here, you can add any widget to the lock screen. For an example, I will add this widget. And you can add any other widget which you want. Just like that. Now after you add your widgets, from here you can add the widget section to the top or to the bottom. And once you're satisfied with the placement of your widgets, then tap on Done. And as you can see, we have successfully added widgets to the lock screen. Now if you want to add custom widgets to the lock screen, first of all, just go to your home screen, then open the App Store, and in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your iPhone. Then tap on Open, and tap on Continue. Tap on Skip, and select Ask App Not to Track. Now from here, you will find a section called Lock Screen Widgets. Tap on Show More, and from here you will find custom widgets which you can add to the lock screen. Now just select the widget which you want to add to the lock screen. For an example, I will select this widget. Just tap on the widget and select Set Widget. Then go to the lock screen and tap and hold on the empty space on your lock screen. Tap on Customize. Now in the Add Widget section, if you have previously selected any widget, you can remove them by tapping on the minus icon on the widgets. After that, just tap on Add Widget, and under the Add Widget section, just look for the option of Color Widgets. Now just tap on it, and from here, just select the widgets which you want to add to the lock screen. Now once you have added your custom widgets to the lock screen, just tap on Done to save. And this is how you can add widgets to the lock screen on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.